going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play With or Without You by the kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll uppercut your punk ass in the chops. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is going to be an A major bar chord. You're going to bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D, middle finger on the 6th fret of the G. Then we're going to slide that down to an F sharp minor, so bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 4th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D. Then we have this really cool C sharp 7, which happens. You're going to bar the 4th fret starting on the A string with your index finger. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D, and then your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the B. So again, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. Then from there, we're going to a D major bar chord, which is 5th fret on the A with your index finger, and then you're going to bar the 7th fret with your ring finger on the D, G, and B. If you can bar the entire 5th fret and get that high E to ring out, you can do that too, but you don't need that. All you really need is 5 on A, and then 7 on D, G, and B. And then finally from there we need a D minor. It's going to be, you are going to bar the entire 5th fret now, and then you're going to still keep your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, put your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G, and then your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. Now once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords except your D and your D minor. Those are going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that repeats. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.